In the financial world, there are many calculations that are applied to the percentage columns. And what we usually do with this kind of calculations, at the end, we sum them. For example, if we have the margin in percentage, we can multiply the sales value by this percentage to calculate the margin value. But what we actually need at the end is the sum of these values, and this is where the sum product formula can be applied. Let's have a look on the simple example where we would first do this calculation on the row detail, and then we can sum this calculation up. And this is the long scenario, but to make it shorter, we can apply the formula that is called SUMPRODUCT, which means first let's take the sales column, then let's take the margin column, and they first will be multiplied. That is why we have the product like multiplying operation in Excel, and when we hit enter we will get exactly the same result. So instead of creating new columns, you can just write a simple calculation upon condition this is multiplication operation and the end operation is summing.